Hello and welcome to another how to draw video. So Natasha, what are we going to be drawing today?
A ladybug.
We are going to draw, a ladybug, that's right. Okay, now before we start, we are going to need some drawing materials. What do we need?
Markers.
Markers, paper, yes, and something to colour in with. So
Paint, markers, oil pastels, or pencils.
Pencils, yeah, so anything you like basically. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. But yes, are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Alright, so we're going to be drawing a ladybug. Now this is going to be a super easy, super cute ladybug. Now to start off with, all we're going to draw is a big circle in the middle of the page. So this is going to be the ladybug's body and its head as well. Alright, so we'll just start here. And go round. And round. There we go. Okay, now in the middle, what we're going to do is we're going to divide. We're going to draw a little curve in there. That's going to be the face. So I'll just show you here. I'm going to draw a line like this. So this bottom bit here, that's where we're going to draw a face later, and the top we will the body. So let's do the face actually. So in this bottom part here, let's draw two big circles, and these are going to be the eyes. And I'll draw another one like that. So two big eyes, and then inside that we'll draw some more circles. So these will be the pupils, like that. And then in that we will draw another two little circles there. So these will add some highlights to it. And we can colour those eyes in later. I'm going to colour those in now. I'm just going to colour them in black, but you can colour them in blue or green or pink, whatever colour you like. So there we go. And then of course we need a little mouth, so he's going to be a happy ladybug, and we're going to draw a little smiley face.
U.
It looks like a U, that's right. Okay, so the next part is we're going to draw some details on the body. So we'll draw another line here. This is going to divide the body in half, because each of these sides is actually wings that open up, and that's where wings pop out and they can fly around. So now we're going to add some details in here. So I'm going to put some spots in, because for me, ladybugs, I always think they have spots on them. But you can do all sorts of things. You can draw different patterns, shapes, or you can just leave it blank and you can colour it in nicely later. There we go. And the next part then, which Miss Natasha is already drawing, is drawing its legs. So I'm going to stick out, I'm going to draw 3 on each side. And it just looks like kind of like a little finger actually, like this, just a round shape, or like a little kind of a jelly bean shape, I guess, like this.
Half U and half like a V.
It sort of does look like a U, that's right. And I'm going to draw 3 on the other side. Now, I'm going to draw these 3 just a tiny little bit smaller, because they are on the other side, so it looks further away.
The opposite round.
Yes. Okay, and there we go. We have our ladybug. So the next step is to colour it in. That's right. So we're going to fast forward this part.
And we will see you soon.
Yeah, we will see you soon. You may want to pause this video. Okay, welcome back. So we finished colouring it in. I've made mine red and I've coloured in my spots pink. But you can add your own details. You don't have to do spots. You can do all sorts of shapes, or you can maybe just have no shapes. Or just make all rainbow colour, like this Natasha. Like I said, you put extra spots in there as well, so you can put your own details in there. All right, so you're happy with that drawing?
Yes.
Yes, looks good, doesn't it? Alright, so thank you for watching, and we hope you had fun. And just remember that if your drawing looks a little different than ours, that's okay, because you will put your own special touches to it. But the most important thing is that you had fun.
And practice.
and that you practice every day as well. That will help you get better and better. So thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon. Bye!
Bye!
Thanks again for watching our video. We hope you had lots of fun. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, would love to see your drawings. So if you are sharing these on social media, don't forget to tag them with Mr. Ono Studio so we can have a look at your wonderful creations. Also, if you have a great idea for a new drawing video, you can let us know. We're on Facebook and Instagram at Mr. Ono Studios and would love to hear your suggestion.